Whenever we go out, we see different kinds of people outside, such as a poor, beggar, and some needy person. Whenever we see them, we develop different kinds of feeling for them, and we think in a different way for such kinds of people. And all of we try to help them in a different way. Some of we try to give them clothes to wear, food to eat, and some of we try to give them money so that they could buy something useful for themselves. But before helping them, we should keep one thing in our mind, that always we try to help them, and we think from our own point of view. But we don't know what do we they want from a person who help them. Some of we know how should we behave with such kinds of people, but some of we are not aware about it, and we should also learn it, that how should we behave with such kinds of people. If you want to know about their point of view, then you should read poem Sympathy. This poem is chapter number 3rd of class 8th, and poet of this poem is Charles Mackay. Charles Mackay was a Scottish poet, novelist, and a songwriter, and he was also an editor and a journalist. Now I'm going to read first two stanzas of poem Sympathy. I lay in sorrow in deep distress, my grief a proud man heard. His looks were cold, he gave me gold, but not a kindly word. My sorrow past, I paid him back the gold he gave to me, then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. Now I'm going to explain this poem line by line. So this is the first line of first stanza. I may in sorrow in deep distress. So as you can see that there are two words, sorrow and distress. Both the words are negative. Sorrow means sadness, and distress means misery or trouble. So the poet was in trouble, just because of it he was in sorrow. That means he was sad, and he was laying on the ground. So in a proper way we can say the poet was laying on the ground due to some problem and some incident, and he was feeling helpless, and he was full of sorrow. My grief a proud man heard. As you know that the poet was in trouble and he was very sad, but his problem was heard by a proud man. A proud man came to him. Poet called him a proud man because the person who came to him had a proud of his money. So just because of it, the poet called him a proud man. He looks very cold, he gave me gold, but not a kindly word. When a proud man heard his voice and he came to him for help, at the time the poet found him cold, and he said his looks were cold. He had not any kinds of feeling for a poet, and he has not any feeling for his problem. So just because of it, the poet called him cold. He gave me gold. The person gave some money to poet so that he could find out the solution of his problem, and he compared that amount with gold, because at the time the money he got from a proud man was more than gold for him, but not a kindly word. At the end the poet found that the person did not use a single kind word for him, and he had not any feeling for his problem. He just paid that amount and he went back. My sorrow passed. I paid him back the gold he gave to me. So the poet said after some time he was completely well and he recovered from his problem and he was healthy now, and he started working hard and he collected some money so that he could pay that amount to the rich man, because he got some amount, or he took that amount from rich man when he was in trouble. And it was money, so it was possible for the poet to pay back that amount to the rich man. Then stood erect and spoke my thanks and blessed his charity. When poet visited to the rich man, he stood straight before the man and thanked him for his help, because he gave his money to him in his need. And the poet said God would reward him for his good deed. So the poet was thankful for his help, and he wanted to thank him, and he blessed him, and it was possible for the man, for the poet, to pay back that amount he got from the rich man, because it was money. So when he earned it, and after that he was able to return it. Now I'm going to read last two stanzas of poem Sympathy. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. He wound my head, he gave me bread. He watched me night and day. How shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. I lay in want and grief and pain. A poor man passed my way. Once again, the poet was in trouble, so just because of it, he was feeling unhappy, and he was very sad. So, at the same time, a poor man who was going from there, he saw that person, and the poet was seeking for the help, and the poor man visited to him, and he heard his voice, and he wanted to know about his problem, and the poor man went to him so that he could help the poet. He bound my head, he gave me bread, he watched me night and day. So when the poet was in trouble at the time, a poor man came to him and he started helping him. He tied a piece of cloth around his head or around his wound. He gave him food so that he could recover as soon as possible, because the poet was not well at the time. And he served him day and night, and he was with him all the time. He helped him in all the possible ways so that the poet could recover as soon as possible. How shall I pay him back again for all he did to me? Last time when poet was in trouble, at the time it was possible for him to pay back because he got the money in help. But this time it was not possible for the poet to pay back, because the poor man served him, and he took good care of him. So just because of it, it was not possible for him to pay back. Oh, gold is great, but greater far is heavenly sympathy. At the end of this chapter, the poet said, gold is great, but sympathy is greater than gold or anything else. And we cannot acquire the quality of sympathy. It's not possible to acquire it, because it's a heavenly thing, and it's a kind of God gift or blessings of God. So it's not possible for us to acquire it. At the end of this poem, we learned that sympathy is greater than gold or any other precious thing. Whenever we go to pay someone, or we go to help someone, at the time we must have sympathy. Without sympathy, it is just an amount we pay to someone. So when we go to help someone, at the time we should also try to feel the problem or pain of that person, so that he could feel better. Money is not all the things for such kinds of person.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
You can also download book by following given instruction at the end of this video.